What's up guys and welcome to a new video from
Bisdak family.
So today we need to buy a refrigerator for the workers there at the construction site because they need to cool all their stuff like food and drinks. Also we need to buy some tie wire for the construction site, and yeah, also Julius here, my son, he needs a new haircut, so let's go. So let's go, let's see if they have a refrigerator there at SNR. Hello. Thank you. So here are the appliances, so let's see if there's a small refrigerator for the workers. Ah, here. I think this one is perfect. So 8,500. Ooh. This one is perfect. Let's take this. So we bought some ant killer because we have an ant problem at home, and also some Baygon against the mosquitoes. We also have a problem with the mosquitoes. And yeah, let's take now the refrigerator. Here you can see they are testing the fridge before buying it. That's actually pretty normal here in the Philippines. People check the electronic devices first. And honestly, I think it makes a lot of sense. In Germany, you don't really see that. Fits, as you can see. Perfect. Done. So now we're at the hardware store Quadruccio, where we need to buy the tie wire. Hello, stanna mo i tie wire? Oh. Okay, now we have to pick up the tie wire there, the storage. Mo igo ba na? Igo ba?
Igo sir.
Kaya na may sulod. That is.
Bye bye. Salamat. Bye bye.
So our idea now is we want to buy some tanduay, some liquor for the workers, and then put it in the fridge, so it will be a little surprise for them. Here's the tanduay. Of course we buy Junior because Junior is the best. Okay. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take 5 or 6, 7. Okay. Another one? 6? 6 na? Okay.
2, 7, 2, 7, 2.
Nigo dere ba?
Saya.
Oh, bisa.
daw tag-istorya ng English. English.
Dili man, Bisaya man. Okay, perfect. We have here the tanduay, and here we got the soft drinks. So we're done now with buying the refrigerator. We bought some soft drinks and some tanduay for the workers. We have all the materials, so now we are going to the construction site. So let's go. Ana lang pag-transport.
Ano?
Oh, straight lang kay
Tupay.
bawal mag ana daw. Oh.
Bawal na.
Bawal ipaiga.
Oh.
Ha?
Kaya?
Okay.
Let's go.
Oy. Ano ba sing naisulod? Sing naitanduay ba? Passing lang ba?
Basin boy, basin.
Ah! Lagi do?
Layo no. Layo. Layo di ba kabuk?
Junior pag yun.
Kami ina kay Junior.
Oh. Red horse? Ah. Bugat man kayo red horse. Wala. Napay soft drinks, no?
Matapos gamutin
So
sa
as you can see, this is the status of the construction site.
Panayang mura.
So, ready na ni
Hanggang
Roy.
sa pila na pikon
Ready na.
Oh, ready na ni.
Oh,
Kinuha nito ang maliit
Inana,
na
ana.
libreta sa kanyang bag.
dayon.
Katuko dayon,
Nagbanggit ng
ready na.
mga salita.
Unsa dayon sudlan diha?
Nakasuo sa Elias.
Wala na.
Semento?
bukan, Semento.
Semento.
Oo.
Unsa kadaghan na semento?
Dahil sa
Kainta
lakas
ka,
ng boses ng matanda,
30 ka.
Guys, 30
maya-maya pa,
inches.
may narinig ang mga
30 inches. Sudlan lang og
sa
semento or mix?
Busan na, busan.
Unsa busan? Mixan.
Mixan.
Mix. Gimix na, ready mix na?
Oh, ready to mix. Ready to
Oh,
mix na.
isulod na dayon.
Diyan ka lang pala.
Bugahi dayon
Oh,
siya.
yulog din na.
Oh.
Pwes, sumanda ka.
Pagkahi niya,
Dahil dito kita si sentensya.
kumahan sa din na pataas.
Walang yaka mo.
Ah, oh. For man with phenolic board, di ba?
Pinolik.
Oh.
Then,
Muling nagbulong ng
dito,
mga
beam.
ng mga sandali yun ay nagmalay na sa Elias.
Ya, beam.
Oh.
Pinilit na makatayo
Pagabot mo
upang
sa taas na po
makita ang
beam.
nangyayari.
Ah.
Para sikan.
Inalalayan naman ni Martin
So na siya yung murag mat.
Nakaligtas.
Mating sa ilalom,
Oh.
mating pag sa ibabaw.
nilabas ng matanda ang latigong
Naana di ay.
walang awang hinagupit ang mambabarang.
Ligon.
Oh, ligon gyud ba?
Ligon.
Para dili mo tumba. So mag kuha na ta og mga coins.
Wins, magandang kadaan ha.
Oh. Pila man ka coins?
Yung mga yelo.
Oh. Ama ko makakuha sa yellow.
Dito sa bangko.
Sa bangko na sila.
Una sila na.
Ah, sige. Oo, oo.
Itong yelo.
Oh.
Kada man bangag.
Hindi na
Lima.
nagsalita si
Oh.
Profesor.
So,
Kada bangag 5.
Oh, 5 ka, Queen.
Oh.
So,
So,
20.
Hindi na
Oh.
nagawang habulin
Pila?
dahil nawala si
100 ka, 20.
100, so 500
Oh,
tanan.
500 tanan.
Mahala eh. Alright, so we're done with bringing all the stuff to the construction site. Now it's time to, go to the barber, and Julius is getting a new haircut. So let's go.
Hi! Kumusta? German Bisdak family! German Bisdak family! Sige! Hello! Ah, sige. Eh,
Gamay rap, gamay pa mi. Support lang.
support.
Support.
Okay, kuya!
This is the
Oh, my
barber.
son, eh?
This is the barber where Julius is getting a new haircut.
Oy! Wow! Ala!
Do you post that? Did you post that? I said, where's your Churi? I said, stop you. Sayang, sayang, sayang.
Saman!
Where you from? Where you from?
Germany!
Germany.
Eh.
Smart, smart, smart.
Oh,
Do you post that in YouTube?
job?
Do you post that?
Yes!
No, 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 no. No, do it. Do it now. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Can I have that water?
Okay, oh next. Magkalbo. Ako ka. Magkalbo.
You?
Oo.
Kalbo?
Oo.
Why?
Joke lang, joke lang.
Hello.
Paksyo diha, paksyo diha. Oh, mali. Okay, sige, sige. Kannst du mit Gib ihn. Okay. Salamat. Ah, okay lang. Okay, salamat. Ah, sige.
Papan, pang snack ba? So that was one day of our life here in the Philippines. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also comment the video, what do you want to see next. And with that said guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care always. Bye bye.